You know what's better than having one edge over your competitors is having 7. Now, I have an arsenal of free websites and software that are gonna feel like cheat codes in upping your business game. Now, in this video, I'm gonna share all the things you need to know about these 7 websites and software that will take your business to the next level. I've used all these same exact websites and softwares to help build my own 6, 7, and even 8-figure businesses, and I'm gonna share all the details that is going to give you an unfair advantage for helping you build and scale up your businesses. Now, buckle up, grab your notepad, because these insider secrets almost feel illegal to share because they are going to have amazing impacts on your business and make your life easier and allow you to make more money without doing any extra work. Now, you're going to want to stick through the entire video because one of these softwares has gone from revolutionizing all of my businesses, and now I utilize it every single day. And there's so many of your competitors that probably aren't taking advantage of this software, and you're going to want to stick around in the whole video so you can learn all about these new softwares. Now, we all know the 3 pillars for any successful business is sales, marketing, and customer service. Now, all these software are going to help in a variety of different ways, but most of them are going to fall into one of these 3 categories. Before digging in, I suggest auditing your own business and figuring out which one of these areas is actually lacking, and then prioritizing one of those 3 areas and implementing the associated software to help you build and scale that area. Again, a business needs to be good at all 3 of these, but sales and marketing are usually going to be the things that bring in direct profit to your business. So let's go ahead and dig into the first one. Now, imagine a world about 5 or 10 years ago where you didn't have to pay monthly fees for all your software. You just paid one lifetime deal for a software or a website instead of these pesky monthly fees that come and take away from your business every month. Now, this is where AppSumo comes into play because they have lifetime deals where you pay one low price for software and websites that you can utilize for your businesses. And it's a marketplace that I'm scouring every day. And big shout out to Noah Kagan, the founder of AppSumo, because he's helped so many business owners and entrepreneurs get started with content and saving a ton of money on finding great software on the marketplace. Next up, imagine having your own personal graphic designer, but not having to wait for all those pesky deadlines, re-edits, and all the other stuff that can take sometimes weeks to get your own images done. This is where Canva comes in. They have a user-friendly interface that will transform anyone into a graphic designer whiz. They even utilize AI technology that can help you create all types of cool images in seconds. Canva is like your secret design superhero that will level up your websites, your social media content, and everything else that you need professionally designed graphic images for. Now, the next one, imagine having your own personal sales team that's reaching out to cold new potential customers, or maybe they're reaching out to old customers to get them to do your own business. Well, this is where Snovio comes in, snov.io. This is your personal email outreach service, and they have some really cool automation sequences that you can build a sequence to reach out to cold emails, or you can also utilize it to find business owners and decision makers in a variety of other businesses that are going to fit your potential customer avatar. This is a great software to use, and it's helped me gain thousands and thousands of dollars every month on additional customers just by utilizing automatic email that sets up while I'm sleeping. One of the biggest issues I had was I was really great at the follow-up for the first 2 emails, and then I just forgot about it. Snovio takes that out of the cards because they will automatically email people over a variety of weeks, months, or even years. So you never have to forget, and you'll always remember to be sending these email follow-ups. Coming in at number 4 is one of the best software out there for hiring quick tasks. Now, if you're looking for a very linear project done in a matter of hours, then Fiverr.com is going to be the best choice for you. They have a variety of really affordable tasks that are going to be done in a matter of a few hours to up to a few days. Now, I use Fiverr for getting my YouTube thumbnails done, for getting some content written, or a variety of other tasks on there. Go and explore Fiverr and see what type of tasks you can do on there. Now, they might have a bad reputation about being low quality, but about 10 or 15% of the people on Fiverr deliver extremely high valuable content and services for a fairly low price. So you just have to navigate and find those people, and I guarantee you'll find some good stuff if you dig hard enough. Now, every business needs an organizational guru, and a lot of times this can cost a ton of money. Now, this is where HubSpot comes into play. It's a free customer relationship manager or a CRM that keeps all of your customer interactions and data in one place, and it's absolutely free. One of the best things about HubSpot is it's like a personal assistant who never sleeps, ensuring all of your customer service and marketing is on point. And last but not least is ChatGPT-4. Now, whatever AI writing software you might be using, I want you to ask it, what version of ChatGPT are you using right now? Because a lot of these versions are using ChatGPT 3 or 3.5, and that's essentially like utilizing a VHS tape versus GPT-4, which is a huge advancement, and I would compare it to a VHS versus a Blu-ray in 4K in 4D. Now, it's a huge leap in such a short period of time, but I've noticed the writing difference in outputs to be extremely worthwhile, so make sure that you're utilizing GPT-4. Again, they have free versions, but if you want access to the 4.0 version, you're gonna have to pay $20 a month, but it's absolutely worth it. And this is something that I went from being very skeptical about to now utilizing it in every one of my businesses every single day, and also getting my employees to utilize it. Now, if you don't get on this trend and learn how to use AI to your advantage, you're going to be left in the dust, and your business is not going to be able to compete with your competitors. So there you have it, 7 websites and software that are going to revolutionize your business, and all of them are free to get started. And you know what else is free? Is smashing the subscribe button to get alerted about all the new videos and free content that I'm pushing out almost every single day. Now, you have to turn on the bell notification icon to get alerted about these new videos that get published. So if you have a software that I missed out on this list and you want to make sure that I include it on a future video, make sure to leave a comment below and share it with myself and my community to help us grow into improving our businesses with free revolutionary software and websites.